Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today in my California room, and I'm really excited to do a thrifted makeover for this space for all of you guys. But first of all, if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, handbag rehabs, and space redecorating, do not forget to subscribe to the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into this video. So, this space is my family's California room, and we really love that indoor-outdoor kind of like living, and this space I feel like needs a little bit of a spruce up for the summer. So it's already great, very functional. We have the sofa and the two chairs. I have a couple little plants, the table, and a couple little decor items in the back. Those are actually all thrifted, along with that table and the little turtle. But today we're gonna bring even more elements into the space to just make it a little bit more homier, make it feel more exciting, and to add some color and texture to this space. You guys watched just a few days ago, I was able to go to the Goodwill, though it was still closed and I wasn't able to shop. My friend actually went the next day once all the stores opened and was able to pick up a couple of things for me, so I was very excited. And when I went to go pick up those items, I stopped by the Potting Shed, which is one of my favorite plant stores, and decided to pick up some plants to add to this little outdoor oasis. So I'm very excited to share with you guys how we're going to be doing that today. So first of all, let's start adding in some more elements to the space. Lean it up a little bit, like put the back of it up against the... Yeah. Now even it out while I hold it. Hey, chill. Move, stop stepping on it. I'm trying to pull it. Is it even? Alright you guys, we are all done. I'm super duper excited to show you guys the final results of how everything turned out. So let me give you guys a little tour of everything. First of all, we cannot not start with the carpet. The carpet is so beautiful. This was from the Goodwill that I just saw this recently. I've actually been looking for this carpet for a hot minute, and luckily I was able to get it. This one is a Target carpet, which I believe is still available too on the website. So I'm going to link everything that I think is still purchasable, brand new, down below in the description box. But this one was from the Goodwill. I believe it was $80, which is still a little pricey, but still a deal. And for a carpet, I believe this is a 7x10 size carpet. It's perfect. Then on here I decided to put on these super fun zebra pillows. Again, these were also thrifted from the Goodwill. I've had these for about a year though, and these are just so cute. I love the print on them so much, and those were about $4 a piece. Then I have my beautiful thrifted pottery. That is actually Pottery Barn. Mom planted some succulents inside, and that's just another little vase as well, or little planter. Over here, that is one of the plants that I got from the potting shed. It is so gorgeous. That is a large form monstera, so the leaves are gonna get massive. That is the dream. I want that plant to get so huge, and it's so beautiful. I do just need a new planter for it, but it looks really cute sitting on that little pedestal. And then over here is my little monkey. He is so cute. He's holding a bunch of air plants, and that gold little side table is actually thrifted as well, though I believe it is from Target. And then back here is my beautiful Ficus Audrey. This one is from the potting shed as well, and the planter I actually got from the Pottery Barn outlet, but it is West Elm, I believe. Then when we make our way back here, oh, and I also have this little poof, which is also from the Goodwill, and this table is one of my most prized possessions. This one I got from the Goodwill. I believe it was $40 or $50 right before quarantine lockdown. It actually has another chair, but I decided to take it out because the kids usually like to eat here, and it kind of obstructs the back door when that other chair is there. So 3 chairs is perfect. Beautiful vintage bamboo set with a glass top. Then I have this really cute little glass house, and you can use it as a terrarium. I put this beautiful African violet in here that I got from the potting shed. The variegation on the leaves is so stunning, and this is actually perfect for kind of like protecting it from the wind, because it does get really windy in here, so protect it from falling over, desiccation and all that, and from drying out too quickly. And then I have my Pepperomania, I forget the name, but it's like the one that looks like a watermelon. It's so cute. And I also have that in a thrifted little planter. I actually spray painted that white. It used to be like a grayish color. Then over here in this corner, I have this is like a little rattan side table that I also got from the Goodwill, and this 3-tier plant stand that I got as well from the Goodwill recently. And this one is supposed to have like little bowls in it, but it actually kind of works like this with just the plants sitting inside, so that is perfect. And if I ever find planters that fit inside, even better, but for right now that also totally works. And again, that is a lipstick plant that I got also from the potting shed, and right now that's the only one I have in there, but I can't wait to add more to that little area. But here we are, all this fun color pops of life with the plants. I'm sorry about the lighting, it keeps going in and out because of the sun and the clouds. But here we go. Here is my little patio makeover, pretty much with everything from thrift, and my new little plant.